So, you're still in school, and you're probably at the verge of losing it, and math class isn't helping. You have no confidence in math and thus failing horribly at this one subject, and you can't ask anyone for your help because you feel bad that you can't give them anything in return but your mediocrity. But it's alright. That's why you're on the internet looking for a way to help you, but all the tutorials make no sense to you because your brain doesn't want to work. Luckily, that's how I feel every day. And now, as a school project, I am going to teach random people online about rational equations. So here we go. First of all, I think to understand the topic in its entirety, we need to get down to its definition. In this case, my school's definition for rational equations is an equation containing at least one fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. For those of you who had their memory erased after school, polynomials are those equations with normal numbers, letters, and tiny numbers. They're called exponents, by the way. As long as the tiny numbers, specifically on the letter, are not negative numbers, then congratulations, it's a polynomial. Will I give more examples? No, I won't. Continue. I feel like this is the accepted steps for solving rational equations, and whoever made this just really likes to watch teenagers suffer. And honestly, with the things some people do, I don't blame them. But the step-by-step guide looks too smart for your small brain to handle, so we're gonna use a different method. This looks like a good example. Now watch me ramble on as I try to helplessly solve this. So, we got the practice problem here, you know? You see it in its entirety, y minus 7. All you have to do is copy that. So, all we have to do is look for the denominator. Now, I'd like to think outside the box here and don't go with the flow. I'm using my own little method that I'd like. So, all we have to do is copy the denominators in each side, and then there. We do it for 1 over 4 too, so that it doesn't feel left out. And then, there we go. Now what we want to do with math is we just cancel out the things that are alike. So for the left side, we just cancel out y plus 2. There you go. And then for the right side, it's 4. Because why not? I'm not the one making the rules here. There you go. So, what happens after that? Y minus 7, and then 4. And then on the other side, it's just 1. Y plus 2. There you go. Now, all we want to do is multiply 4 and 7 and y. Because that's how it goes. We take out the parentheses because we just want to break down some walls. So we got 4y minus 28. And then since y plus 2 is just its own thing, we just multiply by 1 to just copy paste that. So y plus 2. There you go. So what's that equal to? Nothing. So we just transfer y to 4y since they're alike. And then there you go. What's next? So 28 doesn't want to be there. And all we have to do is transfer that to 3y since 1y minus 4 is that. And then all we have to do is then put 2 plus 28 together since they're alike. Then there we go. 3y is equal to 30. And then since they're both divisible by 3, all we have to do basically is just to divide all of them. So what do we get? Let's just find out. We cross that out, and then it's 10 and y. There you have it. Our answer is y plus 10. I hope you understood that. Well, that was a disaster. But well, that's my way of solving it, so have at it. But the real question is, why are we doing this? Why do we need rational equations? Well, we can use it on work problems, calculating how long stuff takes and estimating time. Or we could just go the easy route and say that we're gonna be math teachers in the future, which I think everyone will answer. But I hope you understood everything from this video, and hopefully I won't have to do any more of this, because this has been a very long thing to do. Till next time, goodbye.